Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into how to configure camera security the right way, from installation to ongoing maintenance. Whether you're protecting your home, office, or vacation property, getting these steps right makes all the difference between feeling safe and staying safe. We'll also take a look at a smart example. The eufy 4G LTE Cam S330, a great pick for remote or Wi-Fi free locations. Let's get started.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
Let's start with the basics. Getting your camera installed and powered up. Choose a spot with a clear, unobstructed view, ideally covering entrances, driveways, or hallways. Mount the camera securely using the provided bracket. Connect it to a power source. Either plug it into an outlet or use solar power if your model supports it. For wired cameras, plug an Ethernet cable from the camera into your DVR or NVR box, and then connect that box to both your monitor and router. For wireless cameras, you might first connect it with an Ethernet cable temporarily to set up Wi-Fi, then switch to wireless once configured. Most modern cameras use a mobile app for setup. Open the app, scan the QR code on your camera, and follow the prompts to connect. Once paired, you'll see a live feed right on your phone or computer. Now that your camera's live, let's make sure it's secure. Log into your camera's web interface or app using the default username and password, then immediately change them to something strong and unique. Check for firmware updates in the app or settings menu. These updates fix security vulnerabilities and improve stability. Ensure your home Wi-Fi uses WPA2 or WPA3 encryption. This protects all connected devices, not just your camera. In your router settings, activate a feature like New Device Approval or MAC address filtering. This prevents unauthorized gadgets from joining your network. Once you're secure, it's time to fine-tune your camera for the best performance. Tilt and rotate the lens to cover all important areas, like doors, windows, or your driveway, without leaving blind spots. Customize motion sensitivity so that small movements like pets or leaves don't trigger constant alerts. Choose when, how you want to be notified. For example, only while you're away, or at night when motion is detected. Select your storage method, local storage with a microSD card or NVR for full control, or cloud storage for remote access and backup. Make sure the camera is actively recording when motion is detected. A well-configured camera still needs regular care to stay reliable. Check your logs monthly for unusual login attempts or disconnections. Clean the lens gently with a microfiber cloth. Dust and smudges can affect clarity. Keep firmware up to date to prevent new vulnerabilities. If you get too many false alerts, try narrowing the motion detection zone. If the video feed drops, reboot your router or camera and check the signal strength. A little upkeep keeps your system running smoothly year-round. If you're still choosing a camera, the eufy 4G LTE Cam S330 is a strong option, especially for locations without Wi-Fi. It runs on 4G LTE, offers 2K clarity, AI detection for people and vehicles, and a solar-powered battery system for continuous operation. No complicated wiring, no monthly fees, just reliable 24/7 protection. And that's how to configure your camera security like a pro, from mounting and pairing to securing and maintaining your system. If this guide helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future smart home tutorials. Stay safe, stay secure, and I'll see you in the next video.